caused in briefly higher wind gusts and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Mayo, Shops Island Light, Miles River, Mattapick, Poplar Island, Plum Point, Parsons Island, Roman Cook, Eastern Bay, Bloody Point Light, Tilghman Island, Thomas Point Light, Shady Side, and Eel. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. for southern Maryland. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Prince George's County in central Maryland, northwestern Calvert County in southern Maryland until 8:30 p.m.